Meghalaya Cycle Association MC kala pynkhreh sha na bynta ban yo sing madan yagi kun samla ka jilla man mi kamat sha kalimpung ni ka jang national games ka bansalong hakani ka jilla house nam arjak nyo abi dai bat kani haka khatsan terek bat ka khanriu terek jang ka tayo baladam ka MC ka la ban pelong ya ka MTB cross country ya ka bala pelong hakut jang slempuli ka school ba ni hu kabla long ha ka khatsan terek bat khanriu terek mentau banai kasinjo ka pentep ba ha ka arterek ubanai risau mentau snam kan pelong saya ka jing persyang kabayade bat ka jing ko jong ka road race ha ka ba ka jing persyang kalong na ka benta ki samla kan thai bat shinrang ha ka kerta ka ba khanyo do absan snam bat an ban rap lang bat ka jing persyang trial na ka benta ka road pai abede bat kani la yo roi ka jing kran no ba lening bare balong president ringkat ke jingdon lang ke jong u zachin luan general secretary bat u mikem sangma coach nakalyang jongki ki khat yu wer baro ki samla ha ka kerta khat nyo hadu absence nam la kalong nadu ki ba junior cycle lani ki nong ila kai football ki nong mare marathon bat ki we ki ba kinwan an persyang da ka ba kular panakalyang ka association kan sapek lut ya ka jingdon kam jongki
of October we having another trial selection trial for the road race, and when we select that, it's not that okay we select for road race you cannot come to the MTB. It depends on the coach, it depends on the team how they decide. Some of you may be from the MTB, you may have to go to the road. Some of you from the road, you may have to go to MTB. So don't lose hope, please come again, keep practicing, okay, because this is all very fair what I have checked. No, what we have done. Okay.
Namarkine longin haban observation for some.
Oh yes.
The kiwe ide ini dakahi kendai. Ale dakahi kendai. Mark amazing, but lucky son.
Lucky son. Mana lucky son? You guys. Actually, as per the you the hidden teaching tuna ki doksa ki domet ki kita ki pala kamlong kampal ke dituna betul ki you are fit cardio gane kita long fit plat kitun ke of improvement. I think our coach and everything he will give you that suggestion also ke ba pin yes no.
So these 2 days of the trials is really to scout athletes who are highly potential and who are ready to be trained. So that's the reason why we had physiotherapists involved. We had an experienced coach who with his experience have supported the entire association in designing the entire training, the trials session. And from these 2 days what we have really understood even as an association is that the kind of things that is needed, the kind of passion or the kind of determination that we need from our athletes and their readiness towards taking up this training program, in which we have found 5 of them are ready, and we also are able to also identify potential athletes who might need a few more days of here and there of some correction that needs to be required to help them to prepare and to be ready for the training program. So these were the 2 main purpose that we had these 2 trials. Now we have the next one, which will happen in October 2nd. And on October 2nd is also going to be a very special kind of a trial, because we are not only looking out for cyclists, but we are also looking out for all sports person who are who are really passionate about any kind of sports that they are involved. So we invite all sports persons of Meghalaya to come and participate in this trial.